What's the deal with Python? Yo, Python ain't just any language. It's the king of the coding jungle. Easy to pick up, but powerful enough to run huge sites like YouTube. Python's like your smart, flexible friend who's always got your back, ready to dive into web development, data science, or even hacking stuff for fun. Super versatile and beginner-friendly, it's the go-to for anyone stepping into the code game. Grabbing Python. Ready to roll with Python? First, hit up the official Python spot at python.org.navigate to the Downloads section and snatch the latest version for Windows. Make sure you're grabbing the right one for your system. There's usually a big button right there that says Download Python followed by the version number, especially tailored for Windows users. Click that, and the download starts rolling, installing Python on Windows. Got the file? Cool. Now double-click that downloaded installer. Check the box that says Add Python to Path at the start of the setup. This bit's crucial. It's like giving Python a VIP pass to work smoothly on your Windows. Hit Install Now and let the wizard work its magic. If the system asks for permission, give it the thumbs up. Sit back for a minute or two and bam, you're all set to code. That's pretty much it. Now you've got Python installed and you're ready to start coding up some magic on your own. Keep it real and start experimenting.